Welcome to my channel. So for today, just as the title say, I'm super excited. I got myself the Canon 80D. Yeah, I decided to upgrade because I record with my iPhone 11 Pro at the moment, and it's not the best for vlogging. It's not the best for my YouTube videos. So I'm like, I need to upgrade. I need to get a better camera. I decided to get the Canon 80D. Yes. So I'm super excited today. I'm going to be unboxing this. And I got the one that had the 18-55 lens. So it came with the kit. I really want to improve on my video quality. So that's why I decided to get myself the Canon 80D. Yeah, so today I'm going to be unboxing this product. See how it looks. I've heard so much good things about this Canon 80D. It's got good, I think, 45 autofocus. It can record 60 frames per second, and you know, it's got touchscreen. You know, so it's got Bluetooth, the usual Wi-Fi. So this is how the box comes, like so. I'm excited. Okay, comes like so, and in the front of the box you've got this is like the manual. You've got a warranty here, and this is like the manual. Yes, it says basic instruction manual. I'm downloaded as well, so you know, from Canon website. This is the warranty. I'm definitely gonna keep the warranty because I don't want, just in case, you know. So I'm gonna open this flap. I'm gonna be so careful. I don't want to drop my camera. I'm gonna open this flap here, and this is kind of what it looks like. Yeah, I'm so excited. This, I believe, is the camera. It's in here in this bubble wrap, so I'm gonna open it. Yeah! Wow. And it comes with this as well. This is like a mesh on the camera. I feel like a professional photographer now. Ooh, isn't she beautiful? Wow, it just feels so like, I feel proper, like, wow. So this is kind of what the camera looks like straight out of the box. This is the cap for where you put the lens in. It's really beautiful, just stunning. I love it. This is kind of the start button of this. There's a place where you can plug the mic in. It comes with this wow, this is nice. So you can, the viewfinder, you can literally see yourself when you record. Yeah, this is really good, and it moves like so. Wow, it's got like a dial here. It's got touchscreen. It's got a dial. This is where like the card goes in. Wow, it looks really like proper, nice, so beautiful. There's the stats. This is kind of where it goes to video, and this is the video one. Really, really nice camera. Really, really nice. It feels proper nice as well. I feel like a professional holding this. It says made in Japan. I think Canon is a Japanese product anyway. I'm gonna check the box to see where the lens is. So this is the box, and these are the other things. This is the lens. I can tell because it's just, yeah. So this is the lens, comes in this wrap. Wow. So like, this is what the lens look like. I think this is the cap for the lens. Yeah, see, it's the cap side. So this is the lens. This is the 18-55 one. It came with the I bought it together as a kit. Okay, so I'll drop this here as well. Do not fall down. I'm just gonna open this quickly. So that's the battery that it comes with. It has like a protecting cap here. Next in the box is this. This is the charger for the battery. This is the charger. It says charger in it. This is the charger for the battery. Yeah, it says battery charger. Just slip this in where you want to charge, and it has like this cord you can connect to power. Also in the box is this, which is the charge the camera, I believe. This is it. The regular, like so, and I can charge my battery up. That's beautiful. Also in the box is this. This is like the strap. So this strap is really just to hang the camera on your neck or so. When I've got bridal makeup, I'm gonna use this because if I've got bridals and I'm out and about, I'm gonna tend to use this when I'm going out. So that's kind of everything. This is just the end. That's the last thing out of the box. So back to my camera. Amazing. I just can't get over this. I'm just so beautiful. I'm just super excited. This just feels so nice. I'm gonna open this up and put the lens in. Yeah, so that's kind of it. I got a tip to always do it this way. So this is the cap for the, and this is the lens. So I'm gonna, this is the lens. So I'm gonna open the back here. So this is kind of how it does. Wow, see, you can see the lens moving. Amazing. Okay. Yeah, okay, so I'm gonna open this and put it in the camera. So this is the lens cover, and I'm gonna kind of put the lens in like so. Ooh, that was easy. I was expecting some kind of magic. I was expecting some kind of, you know, tough time, but that was easy. So, you know, it looks super nice. Let me take this off. Or does this stay on? I think it has to come off, doesn't it? And I think this way you kind of slide to 55mm, 35, and 24, and 18, and the lens keeps coming out. Amazing. There's stabilizer there, there's AF, look. Wow. And this is, I've put it to 55, this 35. 24, this 18. I can't wait to use this, guys. Check out my next video because this is gonna, I'll use this camera for my next video, but it's just so beautiful. Amazing. So I'm gonna put the battery in and see if it goes on or off. I also got myself SanDisk card, SanDisk Extreme card, 64 gig. I think this is really good, so I got this one for the camera. First, let me put in my battery and see if it turns on. So this is where you open the battery in. Yeah, so this is the battery. Battery goes in here, and I'm gonna slot the battery in. I think it goes like so. There's an arrow there. That's in my battery. Shut. And the card goes in here. The card opens and goes in here. I'll put that later. But yeah, so I'm gonna kind of put this on like start. So this is the start button. Oh no, this starts. So I need to look for where on is. This says on here. Where's off then? Oh, look at on, look at off. I think this is the AF on. I need to learn a lot about this camera, but I'll read the manual as well. This is AF on, this is off, this is on. So I'm gonna switch it on. Am I supposed to open this as well? Let me switch it on and see what happens. Okay, so that's on. Nothing happened, guys. So maybe the battery is not charged. Yeah, I need to charge the battery. I need to charge the battery. I'm just trying to find out how to put it on at the moment. So I'll try again. So do it this way. Okay. Don't know why it's not coming on, but let me just see what I can do. Switch this way. Then turn it like so. Yeah. And I'll press the on button again, just here. Yeah, yes, it's on, guys. Ooh, and yes, I'm super excited. So it's on. I'm gonna switch it off because I don't want to mess anything up. I want to really sit down, put in the right things, check my time. It's super, like, it's just nice. It's on point. So yes, I'm, my quality hopefully will be better now going forward. So if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, be sure to subscribe because the quality is going on point. Lit. So that's it for the unboxing, guys. To check out my next video because I'm going to be filming with the 80D. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Bye.